over here in the center. Good. Green, RP. The bolts are good, airspeed's a little high. Right, rudder.
Strand Tower, 369 Kilo Bravo, holding short 23, ready.
November 369 Kilo Bravo, Strand Tower, hold short on my 23, I'll get you rolling in just a moment.
Hold short 239 Kilo Bravo.
Cherokee 11 Juliet, contact Myrtle Beach departure. Good day.
Over departure, 11 Juliet, see ya.
That's 1145, Myrtle Beach Airport, 3 o'clock, 10 miles.
Airport site, Delta 1145.
That's 1145, clear visual approach runway 36, 180 or greater until 5 mile final, contact ground 12, contact tower 120 point, correction, contact tower 128.45.
Clear the visual approach, runway 36, 180 for 5 mile final, 12845, good day, Delta 1145.
Myrtle departure, Cherokee 90611 Juliet, 700, climbing 4,500.
Cherokee 90611 Juliet, Myrtle approach, radar contact. Twenty-nine 40 to maintain 2,000.
I maintain 2,000, yeah, 2094.
92094. Traffic to follow, 2 o'clock, 4 miles in out of 2,000, Airbus.
Insight, United 2094.
92094, follow the Airbus, clear visual approach runway 36, contact tower 128.45.
Alright, clear visual approach, will follow the Airbus, tower 12845, United 2094. Myrtle, stationary couple 4 Victor's 8,000 and we have Sierra.
444 Victor, Myrtle approach, you can expect the ILS runway 23 at Strand.
Okay, what's the ILS 23?
44 Victor, proceed direct bypeg, descend and maintain 2,000.
Bypeg 2,000, 44 Victor.
Correction, 44 Victor, direct bypeg, maintain 7,000.
Bypeg, maintain 7,000, 44 Victor.
Departure, November 369 Kilo Bravo, 1,000, climbing.
Uh, 369 Kilo Bravo, Myrtle approach, Myrtle departure, radar contact.
Departure 9 Kilo Bravo, do I have an altitude restriction?
Can't give me one either, I'm going for it.
4 for Victor, descend and maintain 2,000. Traffic 4 miles east of your position, climb out of 7,000. Another way through 6,000.
Okay, we'll hurry down 2,000, 4 6.
42 Bravo, contact. Approach on 127.4.
Contact 127.4, 42 Bravo.
Gas and density, altitude's a little high. If I had to lean already, but we did get a lot more power just now when we leaned it. So we're climbing out at about 80 knots now. We've been climbing out about 80 miles per hour, 85 miles per hour. So we can get above these clouds. Broken layer, I should say.
Don't take those off of him, please.
Six Bravo Kilo, contact. Fayetteville approach 123.0.
123.0, 206 Bravo Kilo. Approach, what was that frequency? That's at 123.0, it's not it.
6 Bravo Kilo, it's 133.0.
33.0, okay, yeah, that makes more sense. Thank you. Oh, good morning, sis. 253 Juliet, 8,000.
253 Juliet Sierra, I'm going to approach, run altimeter 3022.
3022.
What are we going to?
4,500. You can see by my cheat, my knee board here. We're going to be flying on about a 321, which is pretty close to what we are, and that's to the left, so it's even plus 500. You see what I'm saying?
Yes. Your heading's 321, which means that was
4 for Victor, traffic 11 o'clock, 7 miles northwestbound, altimeter case 1,500.
So 189, so even for VFR altitudes was 0 to 179, plus 500. The way people flying this way are 1,000 feet above, should be 1,000 feet above or below us.
November 07 Mike, contact Fayetteville approach 133.0.
Right. 33 nothing, 07 Mike, good day.
I don't know if that's who we're going to or not, but who's getting put in.
they hand us off to Florence, right?
I don't remember off the top of my head. Alright, let's get out, cruise a bit. Put that nose down a touch. Departure Legion 3681, 1003, runway heading.
Legion 3681, middle departure, radar contact, climb and maintain 10,000, 10,000, continue their own heading.
Proceed runway heading up to 10,000, Legion 3681.
Full Victor update on the traffic, 12 o'clock, 2 miles, 1,500, still indicated.
I got him in sight, just got him, thanks, Full Victor.
Legion 3681, proceed direct to Raleigh, Durham.
Direct to Raleigh, Durham, Legion 3681.
Mommy?
Yes.
I need some air.
Got air coming from right down there. You feel it? On your leg? Right there? Put your hand down there. You don't need that one, sweetie. But you got air right here. Put your hand right here. Put your hand down here where mine is. Feel it?
Number 44 Victor, cross pipe peg at or above 2,000, cleared ILS straight in runway 23 approach, Grand Strand.
Okay, 444 Victor, we'll cross 5 peg at or above 2,000, cleared ILS straight in, Grand Strand. Total approach, Skywaggon 104 Hotel Echo.
104 Hotel Echo approach.
Get flight following course 2 Sierra Charlie 7, just left Ocean Isle Beach Airport.